Well, here's a very beautiful EP3 in the house, and today it's our Richard is about to fit a throttle position sensor, our Jensen's strapping it, then we're fitting a K-Pro ECU, and then we're going to map on that. I love a bit of cosmic grey, Rich. What do you reckon?
Yeah, definitely favourite colour.
Yeah, my favourite. Jensen?
Yeah, it's better than the red we always have.
But it's better than the red we always have. I like it, Jensen. Right, let's get stuck in. Okay, so 209 brake horsepower to start with, not so bad at all. Car's got some modifications. It's got a 4-to-1 decap manifold. It's got a HKS catback and a K&N Typhoon, which is not my favourite, but it's certainly on there. So now Richard's installing the K-Pro ECU, and then we shall begin tuning, data logging, etc, etc. So not a bad start, like I say, 209 brake horsepower. Hey Richard, you seen any expensive BMWs today?
I did see one earlier, yeah, 3 litre CSL, old L-Reg, so whatever that is, maybe
old
70s, I think, maybe.
Old. It looked the part, didn't it?
Yeah, very weird. It was used, in my opinion, which is quite nice. It wasn't mint, like factory mint, if you understand what I mean. But
it was a daily.
It was a daily, yeah, for sure. And yeah, I was quite shocked on the prices of those when I had a quick look.
100 grand plus.
Yeah.
How the other half live?
Very nice.
I want his job. But back to this Cosmic Grey EP3. You've now installed the K-Pro ECU, and you're ready to start.
Yeah, I was looking through for a base file.
Good stuff. Yeah! You like that? Awesome! Yeah, mate. A little bit of smoky in the dyno cell, and we have, can you see if you can get it onto the actual CV boot, the torch? We have a exploded seat. Jensen's rubbish with the torch. There we go. We have an exploded CV boot on the dyno, made a big load of smoke as it touched hot stuff. But I think that's us done. Bummer.
Take three. Phone calls. Phone calls on a phone. How dare someone? Really?
Who would have thought it?
Yeah.
Right. Well, and the first obviously take was you being a sexual predator.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Right. So, Cosmic Grey, EP3.
Yeah. Map through, lovely. EP3 is still my favourite, to be fair, to map up on. Customer provided his own K-Pro this morning, so we've obviously fitted that register to his address and his details. Put it in, put a base file on, obviously started tuning. EP3s always astound me. They make an amazing amount of power. Beautiful mid-range. Always makes more over the peak power. Revving on a little bit further. I fit the launch control, flames, you know, the usual sort of stuff.
Great car.
Great car.
Great flames.
Great flames. Look lovely. Had a little bit of a problem with the CV boot part way through.
Just about on the penultimate run.
Yeah.
There was a bit of a waft of smoke, and it was
Yeah, it's one of those moments where you do the decent thing, you turn it straight off. I didn't think it was engine, it didn't give any symptoms of engine.
But there was smoke there.
But there was no smoke there, there was obviously an issue. I could see a lot behind, but obviously I think the fan was blowing it that way, so obviously turned it off. Dan obviously investigated, had a quick look, and we're dripping a bit of CV grease on the dyno, so...
A bit.
A lot.
All of it.
All of it. Yeah, so we've had a CV boot explode. I think some of it obviously went onto the exhaust and it spat a little bit on the brakes and stuff, and hence why obviously it had a little bit of smoke.
But that's what you do. You stop, you come to a gradual stop, you don't panic.
Yeah, don't panic.
You gradually bring it down to a stop, don't you? And then you switch it off and you have a look.
And see what's going on. I mean, obviously this is just CV boot. I mean, it's just life. It's the way it is.
Seen it before. See it again.
We'll see it again. Jensen's removed some very greasy straps from underneath the car.
Greasy straps.
He's got some mopping up to do.
All his arms are all greasy.
Yeah. So we'll probably get a little short.
What if he's got any on his calf muscle?
I don't know. We'll get a little short. We'll get a little short video of him mopping it up.
Yeah, that'd be nice. You'll like that.
Yeah. Should we have a look at the graph?
Yeah, why not?
Come on.
Come on.
Before and I'll say it again. Life was pretty fast.
It's made a mess, hasn't it, Jensen?
A little bit. Had a bit of an accident.
Bit of an accident.